Today's video, we're going to talk about the CallRail SMS Autoreply feature. If you're using CallRail and you don't know about this feature yet, you absolutely should know about it because it can definitely make more from the leads that you already have coming in from your advertising campaigns already. And what this specifically does, just to keep this short or as short as possible, it's actually going to be where you get an incoming phone call and you can automatically shoot out an SMS/text message to the person who called you from your ad campaign or whatnot. And actually, you can do this by traffic source if you know how to set up your tracking numbers inside your CallRail account and using different call profiles and so forth. So if you just want to send out an SMS message saying, hey, thank you for contacting us, send a picture of your tattoo for your, just get a quote on your tattoo removal service, or what have you, and just do that for people who got to the website and were coming from a Google ad even. You can have it drilled down that far so it doesn't just happen for anybody or everybody, given that naturally you couldn't just have it show up for anybody and everybody. And you could obviously do that even if you don't have a landing page, so that any calls on the homepage, if they're from a Google ad, can have that SMS sent out to the user automatically, whereas if they're not from a Google ad, calling from the homepage, they don't need to. But the reason why you do this, as per the title of this video, is it's going to get you an extra 15 to 30% ROI from your ad campaigns, which is all the reason that you need to do it. And the reason for that is because it's going to get you a higher contact rate from the user overall as a whole. The more people you get in contact with that try to reach out to you, the more sales you're going to make. And naturally, not everybody answers every single phone call on time. And with that, if you're not open 24 hours a day, there's still plenty of people who are going to try to call an hour after you close, 2 hours after you close, and having an SMS message that gets automatically shot out to that user, and then it looks real, like a real human sent it to them, which is where the beauty and where the magic with this strategy actually happens. This tool actually happens. You can actually get the person to message back, and then therefore they're more likely to answer the phone when you call them when you open the next day at 9 a.m. or whatnot. With this said though, I have an individual strategy that I'm going to use to take advantage of this feature at the fullest level possible, and then with that, how to replicate this for yourself on your own end with your own company. So this is a free feature, by the way, that you can have, and technically if you want to have the same SMS message get sent out for form leads, you can also do that as well. You can also have it when they respond to the text leads, you can have this show up in Lead Center if you have added on it as an add-on service through your CallRail account. So you have all the responses to the SMS message right there, all there in one place to answer them, and then be able to respond to the SMS message back and forth. And which is also kind of handy because if somebody texts you and you respond back and then later on they text you again, it keeps it all in one single, it'll tie it to the original phone call. It'll say, original phone call was this, from this caller ID name, from this phone number, and here's all the text messages back and forth over the last 15 days. And it's all in one place. Form tracking, in order to do that, is an extra $50 a month. But I always generally use that as well for offline conversion tracking purposes and getting the Google Click ID from leads. But essentially, with form tracking, you can actually have, once that is activated, every single form lead on your entire website, there'll be a copy of it picked up and then inside your CallRail account. And then with that, obviously, you can have a SMS message fired out to the user automatically and get them to reply, and then get higher contact rate from form leads, given that that's actually the bigger benefit here, given the average contact rate from a form lead is a shockingly low 30% or so, because the typical person waits a day to get in contact with a form lead. Whereas if you get in contact with the form lead within the first 15 minutes, you're going to get at least double the contact rate, getting a hold of that person, contacting them a day later. And when you have physical limitations in your business, you're able to set it up to an SMS message goes out right away. Just like you could obviously have an email go out to them right away, an auto response. You should also have that going, obviously. It's going to increase the likelihood that when you do contact them, they're going to respond because you have a bigger relationship with them. But many times, it's going to increase the contact rate because the email, a lot of times they don't check the email very often, whereas they'll get an SMS message right away, and people respond to SMS messages nowadays at a much higher rate than emails. It's actually, SMS actually gets responded to at like 90% of the time or 90% of the rate nowadays. If it's a legitimate SMS message for something that they requested versus on an email, like I said, it's more like a 30%, believe it or not. So anyway, with all that said, the way that this actually works in reality here is a call comes in to your business once this is set up. If you missed the call, automatically the auto text or SMS message is going to go out of choice. You can have that SMS message say whatever you want. Unfortunately, you can't have modifiers in there. I would love it if CallRail would go ahead and update their system. Anybody from CallRail is watching this, naturally, it's going to help us a lot more if you could take the caller ID, the name in the caller ID, and put that as a variable in the SMS message that goes out to the user if you don't answer the phone. And then with that, naturally, you would take the first name and it would say, instead of, hey, I noticed you called me, sorry I couldn't answer, when's the best time for me to call you? And that's kind of like the best approach, by the way, that you could go with this. What I would recommend, you could tweak that and try testing other things, but that's our go-to. You could say, John, hey, sorry I missed your call. And because it seems more personalized and therefore less likely to seem like a bot just sent this to me, I'm more likely to respond, and we're going to get more lift in our contact rates than we would otherwise. And if you go ahead and you're like me and you want every last dollar of return out of your ad campaigns, you go ahead and you can see how well this works with your CallRail account with no variability in the text that's sent out. Go ahead and use Twilio, like we've done with a number of clients now, and have Twilio send out an SMS message to your customers based upon what they type in on the form, how they answer the questions on the form, depending on with that, like I said, based upon their caller ID. You could set up this SMS message to call them by name, call them by the service that they were interested in, call them by the budget they had, and make it look seriously customized. I promise you, the more customized it looks, the higher the response rate is going to be. Even though just by sending an SMS message right away and missing that phone call, you're going to get super high response rates, 50+% at least, if not all the way up to 90%, without all that tricky dick stuff that you can add on top of it, like I just described. So they send out an CallRail sends out the auto text. If no reply, then you can take this a bit further. You could have Zapier, have a Zapier account, pull the data from CallRail about the caller, and then send it to Easy Texting, which is an SMS drip program where you can send, if somebody can subscribe to an SMS subscription, and then they get, texting replies. It's kind of like, when you see Donald Trump and he says, text 6060 to blah, blah, blah number to get updates. And then you get text updates from Donald Trump or whatever. And that's what Easy Texting is. There's a lot of SMS services out there. Easy Texting is basically the main one I would recommend, and the main one out there has pretty much the largest market share that I'm pretty sure on that. Anyway, so if they don't respond to your initial text, then you can have a whole chain or series of other texts that show ultimately say on the very next message, if they don't answer the first one, did you get my last text? If they don't answer that one, you could say hello with question mark at the end of it and get even more people to reply than you would have got otherwise. And this is going to be able to close that gap. So if you're at 60% response on that text, you can get it up to 75, 85, and technically if you are smart and you're going to take full advantage of this, which you should, then you're going to keep replying like that until you finally get a response where they're saying, hey, F you, I don't want to, stop contacting me, or they say I'm not interested. A good salesman, by the way, they're going to take it to that point every single lead that they get. Why? Because a lot of times people just takes following up many times. At our own firm, just to give you an idea, I never also give up on a user once they contacted us. They contacted us for a reason, and many times it'll take 10, 15 emails following up with them to actually get them on the phone finally. And they're actually really appreciative of it. So you shouldn't think about it as annoying. A lot of people look at me like I'm an alien when I say you need to follow up 15 times when somebody calls you, and then when you call them back they don't answer or they fill out a form. It makes a lot more money. And the name of the game is the quicker you reply to your form and phone leads, and the more times you follow up where you don't get an initial response back from the user, the more money you're going to make. And if you want to add something to that, after you give that quote or proposal or whatnot, the more times you follow up on it with the user then until they say no or yes, the more money you're going to make as well. So if we're going to go through all this trouble, because everybody wants How can we get the cheaper cost per lead? At a certain point, it gets easier to set this system up than it is to find the next, how to get your lead cost from $30 down to $15, where you can just double the closing rate from your leads if you have your system tight on what happens after a lead comes in. Not just from what's said on the sales pitch, but the response, the follow-up, and all of it can basically be automated. With that said, okay, this is what I would recommend to you. Anymore, SMS is hot. On a form lead, if you want to get more out of what you're doing, have an option on there that says, how would you like to be contacted, through phone or through SMS or through email? Because a lot of times people will actually select the SMS when you have that now, and then you're going to get a better response rate because they're looking forward to your texting, and you can do that even though you would text them anyway if they said phone. But it's just a really good hack, if you will, to get more out of the form leads that you're getting nowadays. And, with that said, asking your salespeople to do all this follow-up and do certain things, it's all nice and everything, but it's hard to audit. And when you can set up automation systems to force, you're much better off because, human error and human reluctancy isn't a factor anymore. It's just like, as I talked about in my last video, where you can set up systems so that when somebody fills out a form, you can have an automated system that calls your salesperson and then it says on the phone right away in a robot's voice, would you like to call the person who just filled out the form? If so, press 1. And then it calls the person right away. It says who, obviously who filled out the form, what their name is. And then it forces the salesperson to be able to respond to that form lead in 60 seconds or less by phone. And that's going to get you more response. And you could ask your salesperson to respond within 60 seconds, but it's still not going to work nearly as good as just having the system set up to force the salesperson to respond within 60 seconds. And I actually recommend that as the second part of what I just described here. You want to automatically respond to leads right away. And if they fill out the form, you're going to call them, SMS, email, and that's all going to happen automatically until you speak to them. And if they call, if you miss the call, then right away the SMS is going to get kicked off like we talked about in today's video. With that said, that's the SMS Autoreply feature that CallRail has, and how to use it. CallRail has so many features with it nowadays. It's really, really valuable in terms of the form tracking like I talked about, the auto follow-up, the lead center. If you're not using a CRM, Lead Center can help you keep track of every single incoming lead that you have from your campaigns. It's cleaner and simpler than a CRM for the most part for a small business owner that's not at least doing $500,000 a year in sales or even $1 million a year in sales. But if you have any questions about anything I covered here today, leave me a comment below. I get back to every single person who leaves me a question or comment on this channel, usually within 24 hours time. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, you absolutely should, as the information on this channel I'm giving you from millions of dollars worth of advertising, testing, and research we're doing at our advertising agency, where we have 50 plus clients that we work with on an ongoing basis. And all the stuff that we learn works and doesn't work, we're giving to you on a silver platter on this channel. So it comes from somebody that's literally in the mix doing it. Most of the information you're going to find online about running ads successfully for your business comes from people who don't run a single ad, or they run a couple ads and they're just pretenders. Therefore, the information is useless because you can't read a book on this stuff and know how it works. You got to be really doing it or you don't know anything. So with that said, you should subscribe already if you aren't and haven't already. You can also find my blog at guaranteeppc.com/blog. My blog has step-by-step advice on specific certain strategies that work that you can literally copy paste into your own ad accounts that we're using as our go-to strategies to get results for our clients at our firm on a guaranteed basis. If you haven't checked that out, you should check that out as well. You're going to like it just as much, if not more, than the channel and the information I have on the channel here. As a side, if you're looking for somebody to just do the heavy lifting of getting you the results in your account, use these strategies I talk about on this channel and on my blog. This is what we do for clients at our firm, and we're the only firm out there, the only advertising agency that offers a guaranteed result on your campaigns up front. That is, if we can't lift your profitability a certain minimum amount on your campaigns up front, we do not take a fee. And it would be actually on paper, we have to lift your campaign profitability this much or there's no fee. With that, we don't take on just any client though. We got to know we can really do well with your stuff to take you on as a client. But if you want to see if we could potentially work together, all you have to do is reach out to me on my site at guaranteedppc.com, and I'll be more than happy to offer you our free consultation that we offer to all prospective clients that reach out to us through our website and see what there might be what we might be able to do for you. As a side, we also have ad templates that we've been selling, by the way. That is, in the last 10 years running this advertising firm, we've worked in over 100 niche markets to date. And with that, if we've already done all the hard work of figuring out the best ad, best landing page, best campaign template for your niche market already, whether that be plumbing, foundation repair, whatever, e-commerce, different e-commerce markets, you can just take all that from us for a one-time fee, copy paste it into your account, in which if you're not looking to work with an ad agency because you like managing your own ads, that's the best thing to get, essentially. And you could ask us up front what results we got in your niche market, compare it to what you got. And if we're getting better results than you're getting, you would be doing yourself a major disservice not using our templates, because we've already got spent the money to do the research and all that to figure out what works the best. We've got people that use these templates, by the way, to start whole other businesses, because it's like basically having a business on training wheels. Starting out with a template that gets known results in a market is, you can actually, we got people that do that and then sell the leads to people in that niche market and just make money doing that. Or, that we've sold printer toner in the past, just to give you an example. And you could sell printer toner in another country that our client's not in. And the ads that sell it in one country will sell it in another. And, with our client and you not crossing paths, there's no reason not to take advantage of it. And if you were looking to get into e-commerce and were clueless, that would be like having your hand held through it as much as possible. Anyway, if you're interested in any of those other opportunities, you can also reach out to me at guaranteedppc.com. With that said, I'll wrap everything up with that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.